Today we'll be installing a new solution for Nissan Maxima models 2000 to 2003, the 95-7645G. To start the disassembly, move the shifter back, then remove the pocket. Remove the one screw in the pocket. Then unclip the bottom panel. Using a pry tool, unclip and remove the top vent panel. Remove the 4 screws from the factory radio. Then carefully unplug the connectors and remove the radio. After attaching Metra's brackets to the aftermarket radio, place the radio back into the dash. Make all the proper connections before placing the radio back into the dash. Secure the radio with the 4 screws. Visit metraonline.com or accessinterfaces.com for antenna adapters, audio-video, and steering wheel control interface options. Reassemble the dash in reverse order of disassembly to finish the installation. Snap the bottom panel and the upper vent panel back into the dash. Visit our Vehicle Fit Guide for up-to-date vehicle-specific applications. For any more information on this product or other products like this one, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.